Hello, happy homemakers. I am Bailey from My Life as a Homemaker, and today I am going to be bringing you the Look for Less challenge. It is hosted by the Latina Next Door and the Week's Nest, and I'm really excited to do this. I've been wanting to make this sign for a really long time, and I have some signs like up in my kitchen right now, and they just look cheesy. They've been up since pretty much since we built our house 4 years ago, and I just have never loved them, but that space needed some zhuzh, and so I put that there. But I decided to go ahead and make this sign. I really love it. My husband really loves it. Like, he was so proud that I did it. And I do a lot of freehand painting, and so anyway, I saw this sign and I was like, I have to make that because it is one of my favorites, and I made it for super cheap. I had plywood already in, actually pretty much free, because I didn't buy anything extra for this project. I used plywood that I already had, and it was already cut. I didn't even have to cut it. And then I used white paint that we already had and black paint that we already had. And also we had little brackets already. So I didn't purchase any brand new items for this. I would say I spent maybe $5 on this if I added all of it up together, because all of the other paint and everything has been used for all kinds of other things also. And this, the one I found, was between $90 and $130 depending on the vendor, and it's all from Etsy. And I'm really excited for you guys to see it. I will show you right here the one that I love, and then I will show you right here the one that I made. And I'm really excited for you guys to see me make it. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Don't forget to check out the Latina Next Door. Her channel will be in the description box, and also the Week's Nest will be in the description box down below too. And there will be a playlist of all the other wonderful YouTubers doing this challenge. And here we go.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, love I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the sun, we don't care about the others. You say
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the Latina Next Door and The Week's Nest. I am really excited to see everybody else that has done this challenge, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Goodbye, homemakers.